transforming a 15-year-old K-rend home in Cumnor, Oxford. In the village of Cumnor, Oxford, a 15-year-old K-rend finished house had seen better days. Over time, the render had become filthy with dirt, moss, and even red stains known as trantafilla. The north-facing wall, constantly in shade, was the worst affected. The homeowners wanted their home restored, but they didn't want harsh cleaning methods that could damage the render. That's where our soft wash treatment came in. What is soft washing? Soft washing is a gentle yet highly effective way to clean delicate surfaces like K-rend. Instead of using high-pressure water, which could crack or chip the render, we use a special solution. This treatment kills organic growth, such as moss and algae, right at the root. It's safe, effective, and provides a deep clean that lasts longer than traditional methods. How we restored this home. Step 1. Protecting the landscaping. Before we began, we took care to protect the plants, flowers, and grass around the house. We covered everything near the walls to shield it from the cleaning solution. This step ensured the garden stayed healthy while we focused on the render. Step 2. Applying the soft wash treatment. Next, we sprayed the soft wash solution across the entire house. The treatment was carefully applied to all areas of the render, but we paid extra attention to the north wall. The solution soaked into the stains and organic growth, breaking them down without damaging the render. Even the stubborn red trantafilla stains began to lift. Step 3, protecting the garden with plant wash. Once the house was clean, we used plant wash to neutralize any effects of the soft wash solution on the landscaping. This eco-friendly product reversed any impact the treatment may have had, ensuring the garden was left safe and untouched. The results. By the end of the day, the transformation was incredible. The render looked fresh, clean, and almost brand new. There were no traces of dirt, moss, or red stains. The homeowners were thrilled to see their home restored to its former glory. Why choose soft washing? Soft washing doesn't just clean, it prevents moss and algae from growing back quickly. It's gentle on surfaces, effective on tough stains, and safe for the environment. If your home's render has seen better days, we can help. Contact us today for a professional soft wash treatment that protects your home and landscaping.